Good morning.
Where's the moon at? Oh, there's the moon. Right, there's the moon.
Up at 4:50 today. Made it on time. After we dropped the babies off, we decided to go walking between probably 7 and 11. Probably did 3 hours of walking to find an apartment. We found one, walked this one right here, but there's so many families on top and underneath us. I don't think it would work out. But we did get some good views here of the city. Walked lots of stairs. Saw some pretty churches. Had some really nice overlooks. Saw some nice flowers. We went into a few stores. Here's unrefrigerated milk. Here's my small Mexican section. The cathedral. Ain't that beautiful? And here we were walking downtown again after we did some shopping for some school uniform socks. Here we are behind the cathedral, and we are looking for a treat for Tatiana called a dedo. It is a pastry stuffed with some sweet jam and some white cheese, and it's fried, and it's about 70 cents or so. It's pretty tasty. You can find pretty much street vendors every day here in this vicinity, Calle 23.
Chicharrón. Yeah.
Found them.
Hola, buenos días.
Here's a grilled plantain stuffed with that bocadillo jam and cheese. I'll come back next time for that. Here is coconut street vendor any way you want it. Fresh coconut, coconut juice, sliced coconut, shredded coconut, fried coconut on the left side, coconut. We're not fans of coconut though. Here is a manhole cover painted with a cable car. Looking back at the cathedral. Here is a fire station artwork. And we walked into the mall here. Hey, look, McDonald's. Don't try it. This is our lunch. Pretty tasty. About 15 bucks there. Coffee. Mall art. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's a tricycle. Popular here. Kids on bikes. Very common. Here is the soccer stadium. Headed home now. Construction always slows us down. We got some homework time, dinner time. Get ready for school. Check homework in Spanish, something new. Had a chat with my baby girl, Adia. Here in the city today, a bunch of PVC pipe fell out of a truck. Good night, guys.